Do you guys want to explore around a magical waterfall that has super easy access with just seconds away from a highway? Do you want to explore some beautiful ice sculptures and some cascading falls? And stick around in this video as we explore around Garden Creek Falls just outside of Fredericton, New Brunswick. Getting to Garden Creek Falls is actually very simple because it is right along the side of the highway, just outside of Fredericton city limits. Go ahead and type in Garden Creek Falls into Google Maps and it should be the first result to pop up. Once you arrive, you will see there's room along the right-hand shoulder to park your vehicle. Watch for traffic and be very careful when arriving and leaving. When you finish parking and get out of your vehicle, you will immediately hear the water. Head down one of the many trails along the right side of the river to get to the base of the falls. So as you've probably noticed, we're in December right now, which is when all the ice sculptures are, which are super cool. But also in the spring and summer when the water's flowing, it's absolutely beautiful then too. So in my opinion, year-round Garden Creek Falls is just absolutely beautiful place. So after you guys have checked out the waterfall, if you're feeling extra adventurous, you can just keep following the stream down. Eventually you'll come to more cascading falls, which have more really cool ice sculptures in the winter, and in the spring and summer you just have these beautiful cascading waterfalls trickling down rocks. And you can follow this stream for 10, 15, 20 minutes. I've gone probably about an hour before just following this stream down. It's absolutely beautiful. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the video. I really appreciate your time. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but more importantly, I hope it inspired you to engage with nature, to get out here and come check out Garden Creek Falls for yourself. It's absolutely beautiful. Don't just watch the video, come check it out for yourself, guys. It's absolutely amazing. If you guys want to discover and explore more places around New Brunswick, then feel free to subscribe to the channel so you can continually get content on where to go, where to explore, where to hike, and feel free to give this video a like and comment where you think I should go explore around next, or where you guys would like to see another video at. Check out my New Brunswick exploration playlist on my channel. There you can see lots of videos exploring around where to go New Brunswick. Amazing, beautiful places to visit. Thanks so much again for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.